It's an empty place, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I should drop it more in the back to squat, or you think that's decent? What's up, gang? Welcome back to another one. Remember the last video I put on these vouges, and they were kind of thick and they're rubbing. So what we're gonna do is figure something out to lift it. I actually got some stuff right here. I got these right here. I got these I don't know, these coil spring expanders. I'm gonna go ahead and see if they fit right here. I know this ain't the proper way to do it, but just temporary. I'm gonna end up getting some lift springs on it in the future. But tomorrow I have to take it to get the top done. Hopefully they have time for me now, because I kind of ran off. I wasn't able to make it last time, but let me cut you back. I'm gonna set it up so hopefully it works. I don't know, I've never done this before. All right, gang, so the other ones didn't work. I tried and those motherfuckers wouldn't get on. So I went back to go get some new ones or some other type of spring boosters or whatever. And I got these little rubber ones. Like, if you put it this way, it's 1.5 inches supposedly. And you put them like this, it's 1 inch. So right now, we're gonna see what's up. A ver si de veras. So I have this. I'll measure it real quick. So from the ground to the fender, it is 31 7/8. Yeah, 31 7/8. So right now I'm gonna put this on the springs and we'll see what it is. All right, gang, so these go right here in the springs, like right there, but they won't go in. So what I do is I put this pipe in right here, no diddy, right there. I'm gonna go down, see how it opens up. So when I'm holding it down like that, I put that rubber thing in. But I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm gonna cut y'all back around. All right, gang, I got them in. You see that one right here, and the other one is on the opposite side, right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount this tire back on, and then we're gonna see how much lift we got. All right, gang, I think I said it was 31 7/8 before. Now let's see if we got anything of lift. Looks like we got 32 1/4. So it raised about, I don't know, I'm not a genius in math, but about almost 1/2 inch. I don't know. Yeah, about, let me see. Yeah, almost 1/2 inch, guys. I'll take any inch. Hey, yo, wait, that's good though. Let me see. I'm gonna turn it on and see if it still rubs. It's probably gonna rub a little bit, but not as much. And now that I put those things, it's just probably like a stiffer ride now. Let's see what's up. All right, gang, I tested it out and they still hit it, man. Right there. Shit, I didn't want to trim it, but I guess I might have to do some trimming. Yeah, I might have to trim it right there, man. Shit. It's all good. All right, gang, so what I did is I put these rubber ones, but it's still not enough. It's still hitting right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't really want to, but I'm gonna have to trim it right here. Take out this chrome piece. I'm gonna grind it right here. I'll put it back. So it's basically gonna be up to right there where this chrome piece is at. I'll cut y'all back right now, gang. Wish me luck. Gang, I already did the other side, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. I just took off this trim right here. Okay, you don't want to fuck it up like that. Put it to the side. You can see right here, this gap right here. I'm basically gonna cut that off. So what I did, I didn't even use a grinder, gang. I used this. These motherfuckers are pretty strong. Cuts like nothing. So I cut right there, even. See how easy it cuts? Right there. So I cut it. And then what I did is I cut the bottom right here. Like that. And then you can see it. There's a little cut right there. And I cut this whole lip off right here. This whole lip. Right there, I cut it off like this. Well, you can use a grinder, but I don't want to use the grinder because it's loud. It's like 11 o'clock right now. I'm gonna wake up my lady, and then the sparks. See there? I don't want to have sparks flying everywhere. So it should look like that. So just took off the piece that went that way. Now what I did is I just cut slits right here, about every inch, like this. See that? And then all you do is hit in those tabs that way, or you can fold them in like this. See, like that. So that way it gives that trim somewhere to screw into. See that? Sheet metal fabricated right here, my boy. Basically that's all you need because my tire was barely hitting that lip right there. Just like that. Now it's even with this chrome. Now I'm gonna put the chrome back on it and I'm gonna show you how I trim that too. I'm gonna cut you back on right now. Alright, gang, so you see it, there's no space anymore. It's basically on top of this metal. So I give it like a little cut right there, a little angle cut on this trim. There's a little tiny gap right there. It ain't too bad, you can't even tell, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this tire and see if it still rubs. Alright. Here it goes, gang. Hope I didn't fuck it up. Dang, gang, it barely clears. Like just barely. It did help. I could do wider turns now. Maybe not full crank, but I could do some turns now. Maybe lift it later a little bit more, but we'll see how it looks in the morning. All right, gang, so it was still rubbing ever so slightly. So I got these bigger, man, I already bought everything they had in the damn store. This is the last shit they had. This is these rear twisting coil spring boosters. So there's 4 in here, so I'm gonna use 4 in each side. So hopefully, it says like one and 1.5. So hopefully that doubles the height. So we can bring it at least bring it up about another 2 inches. So I could drive it in comfort. But let me pull these tires off again, like the 3rd, 4th time. And I'll cut y'all back right now. All right, gang, just for a comparison, I already put the knuckles on that side. And on this side I haven't, so right here it's at right at 32. And over there, we'll see where we're riding on. On this side we're at 30, almost 33, about 32 7/8. So almost about an inch difference. Yeah, right at 33. So we do got an inch more from adding those things. I'm gonna go ahead and do the air side. Cut your back right now. Gang, got the little broski. Okay, cool. This Ram, we look, got a new tire. Came up. All right, so basically what I'm doing is putting these in right here at the springs. Right there. Like that, and then I'm turning it with the ratchet. So I'm putting one there, and then I'm putting another one up here, and then the opposite side too, so you get all 4. So it'll be one here as well. I'm gonna leave those black ones on since they're already on there. It's right here, and then twist it, and then it'll lock in. So, and it's the big ratchet too. So I'm gonna cut you back as soon as I put them on, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. All right, gang. So I was able to get 3 in. The last one's right here. That motherfucker to get in. It was too hard. So 1. So we got 1, 2. The 3rd one's over here, and then we still got those black rubber blockers that I had from the other day I put in. So that's how it's sitting right now. Man, I kind of want to paint that. Let me cut you back on. All right, gang. I sanded it down. I didn't like the way it was looking, all rusty. It was just surface rust. Texas car, you know, solid. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with this roll bar chassis spray. All right, gang, and there you have it. Looks like new, my friends. Took off all the that's just a reflection. I thought it was rust, but yep, that's how it's looking. Sprayed it up to prevent rust in the future, and it looks clean now. Now I can mount the tire on. I didn't want to put the tire on knowing that it was like that rusty, so probably do the same. I'm about to do the same thing to the other side. All right, got it on the ground now. Let's see if we got anything. We're at 33. We're at 33. And I think over here should be the same, hopefully. About 33 1/8. Yeah, we're about at 33 1/4. A little bit higher over here on this side. Dang, gang, I cruised it around the block, and it doesn't even rub or anything. Look how close it is, though. That close, my friends. That shit's like almost there. But yeah, those things definitely helped. I think because it stiffened it up, so like even on a bump, it don't hit it no more. What do y'all think about that stand? Let me turn down that music. I get copyrighted for them corridos, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is the block right here. Rawhide Ridge and Blacksmith. I don't know. It's the hood right here, man. Catch me on the block. There's an empty place, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I should drop it more in the back to squat, or you think that's decent? Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. It's looking pretty straight. Oh, that door's not closed all the way. That's why that line's right there. Hold on. There it is right there. You gotta think about that. You go put the duals on there. I'm slacking and on the top. I only got a few weeks before I go to that car show in Chicago. I need to get that impact strip too. If anybody knows where to get it or selling it, let me know. Looking straight right there. Again, I'll catch you back on the next one, man. Holla at y'all. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy, man. We got something coming.
Perfect.